be showing you how to make a light up crown from Light Up Links. Light, link, and play. And my mom Vera's from Lady on the Block. Okay, so you will need some of these. These are flexible. And you will need some of the light things. Okay. There's a manual if you want to make something else, but I'm showing you how to do this. Okay, first you take 2 of these, and at the end of the light brick, you stick it in, then take 1 and do that. And then you repeat until it's big enough to fit on your head. Or until you're finished with it.
Oh.
Oops, sorry. Okay, that's big enough for me. And then you take 2. And you do that. And then take the other side and put it like that. And then you take these and then put them on the top that are sticking, but don't put them like on these. And that's Light Up Links to Light, Lick, and Play. Bye!
Look over here. What other things can you make with this toy?
There's a little flower, butterflies. I just made that. Crown, bracelets, one.
And after you're done with the crown, what you can just take it apart if you don't want to do it anymore? You don't have to do it. I know you like the crown, but you could just take it apart and make something new. All right, don't take it apart. I know you like it.
I want to see if I can make a necklace on the next video. Bye!